10 website ideas to make money. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how you can start building beneficial websites that can actually help you in making money. So let's get into it. Now, first off, the first idea, I don't want to waste any time, is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is super popular and it's popular for a reason. You can find platforms like Amazon Associates. You can also find you have platforms like SendGrid and other email marketing platforms. All of them have a affiliate program, and these affiliates pay upwards of 25 to $50 per successful registration. So if you build a affiliate marketing website, you can build a website like Empire Flippers. You can also find multiple different websites that you can see and buy a website listing off of them. Now, the second idea for you guys I actually have is actually buying and selling listings. So you can take a look at whatever is trendy, whatever the celebrities are doing. A lot of celebrities are launching skincare currently. So you can go on to GoDaddy or any other domain purchasing platform, purchase domains that are relevant or that you think might be potentially valuable in the future. And then you can just use that domain to market some of your affiliates, and then you can later on sell it as well. Now, these two ideas are intertwined. So now I'm going to move on to my second idea, which is to build a online course that will make you money. So you can actually go on to Udemy, and Udemy is a platform that has like the top cream professionals teaching courses, but you can go on and go to a platform like Teachable to build a course, and you can sell it on your own website. You can build a landing page to promote your course, and you can go on to Facebook Marketplace, you can go on to Facebook business groups, and you can promote your group, whatever you're talented in. There's always something good to do. Whatever is the thing that you know how to do, just market that and promote. And that in itself is going to be a great way for you to start making money. Now, moving on to my next idea, that is to build a platform or a website where you actually provide a service. So we have this website called the Grumpy Grammarian, and this is actually a platform that helps people find or correct mistakes in their books. You can see this is the guide to copy editing for copywriters, and they're just selling their book over here. They have multiple different testimonials. You can go into this service section, and if you go into this service section, you can see they have a service of corrections as well. So you guys can see their testimonials and people can subscribe. You can also have commas, semicolons, and colons, download now. So you can build a website like this, offer a very basic service, and start making money. And you can focus your entire website on one specific service. Now, moving on to our next website idea is freelancing. So this is kind of interlinked with the Grumpy Grammarian, where on a platform like Fiverr, you would be offering your gigs. Now, instead of just putting yourself out there on Fiverr, where there are tons and tons of people that are in competition with you, you can go ahead and whatever you list on Fiverr, whatever are your skills, you're going to go ahead and make your own platform, make your own website related to that. Now, whenever you're promoting yourself on Facebook pages, social media platforms, you can, instead of linking people to your Fiverr business profile, you can actually link them to your own website, and in that way you can make more money directly by having no cuts in terms of your payment system as well. So it works the best for you. Now, moving on to our next idea, we have job boards. So in terms of building websites, you can build a very specific job board, and that job board could focus on any kind of niche. So the best part about this is that if you build like a job board, so if I search for job boards for chef, we have Better Team over here. Now you can see you want to focus your entire thing on that specific niche and post jobs free, and you want to make it easier for the people looking for a job and also the people providing the job. Plus, you can also add, affiliate marketing ads directly onto that job board as well. So make sure they are relevant. So if you have any relevant affiliates that could be related to the job board that you're building, you can also promote them on the same time as your job board website. And that is like a 2-for-1 moneymaker, because you can post ads as well. You can generate revenue via ads and your affiliates on the same website. Now, moving on to our next idea, we have dropshipping. Now, You've heard of dropshipping. There are multiple different ways to do it. You are going to source your products from a outside supplier. They're going to package it, ship it, and deliver it to your customers. All you are doing is just rebranding or remarketing those products on your own website, and you can easily use any platform to build a website for this. Plus, there are multiple different applications or integrations that can make it easier for you to get started with dropshipping. And we already have quite a few guides on dropshipping as well, so do check out our other videos. I have full-length videos on how you can get started with dropshipping. Now, moving on to our next website idea for you to make money is building a fan page. Now, you might be wondering, hey, how can this even be beneficial? How could I make money with a fan page? Well, if you are underestimating the power of fandoms, you are wrong, because fan pages make a lot of money. And when you're a fan of something, so when you're passionate about something, it is very automatic to want to give money, buy merchandise, It's like a very deep connection people feel. And this is actually a example website that I'm holding up right here, which is Watchers on the Wall. This is actually a fan page for Game of Thrones, the entire, universe of Game of Thrones, and it has all the news regarding Game of Thrones. But you can see they have so many different ads. They have a ad bar on the bottom, they have ads on the right side, they have, ads that are scrolling up with you, as well as fixed ads. So they are making a lot of money, not only with ads, but when you're a part of the fandom, you can create merchandise, not, replicate their original merchandise, but fandom merchandise, as well as the fact you can set up a PayPal or, a support center. So they also have support the wall, and people can choose to donate money, and people often do donate money because they like having all the information that they want regarding their specific fandom base, regarding their specific celebrity, TV show, movie, whatever it might be, all the information about, the show, the actors, the sequels, prequels, all that latest stuff, all in one place. So definitely do give this a little bit of a thought, because although it's a little bit of upkeep having to post all these things, still it's going to be a very large moneymaker with constant viewership from the fandom. Now, moving on to our next website idea, we have building a Bookish blog. So by that I mean you can build a platform where people can recommend books, write reviews about books. Goodreads is a good example of this. They are super popular, and you can make a smaller, more niched version. So you can build like a website for horror thriller themed books, where you just review those books, and then people can review them as well. People can add their insights, so on and so forth. Now, moving on to the next website idea, which I have, is joke websites. Now, you might be wondering, how could these websites generate revenue? Well, the revenue method for all of these is the same, and this is via simply having ads as well. You can also go on ahead and build websites with jokes as well as lyrics. So a lot of people don't realize the potential that these kinds of websites have, because I often view lyrics of songs I just don't get. Sometimes I don't understand the word they're saying, and you want to check out the lyrics. And these lyrics websites have so many ads all over the place. And then with joke websites, you can do pretty much the same thing. Plus, you can also offer premium submissions. So if someone wants to submit something, get it posted or get featured, something like that, you can build like a subscription feature like that, where people can, get featured on the website to earn more money as well. Now, moving on to our ninth way to make money with a website, that is creating a travel blog. Now, this is obviously going to be difficult if you don't travel, but if you are someone that has been to places, not even a lot of places, even in your regional areas, you can build a blog around the city or the town you live in, all the things people can do, stuff that there is, all that good stuff. So you can go on ahead and build a travel blog and earn money via advertisements as well as sponsorships, because travel blogs can get pretty popular. So a lot of brands are looking for brand ambassadors in the form of travel bloggers as well. Now, moving on to our last website, we have a food blog. So food blogs are easy to create. Even if you don't know how to cook, I'm pretty sure you're eating food, you can just take a picture of whatever you're eating, post about it, post recipes, post whatever you'd like about food. It's a very easy to connect on subject. So These are my 10 ideas on websites that you can build to make money. With all these niches, I recommend adding affiliate links with whatever relevant affiliates you might have. If you have any relevant affiliates to food, you can link those. If you have any relevant affiliates on travel, you can link those to make more money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.